So I really like working in Blender's real-time engine Eevee. This shot was made in Eevee. This rainy shot was made in Eevee, and there's a lot of ways to optimize Eevee so that it looks almost as good as Cycles. So to optimize Eevee, I usually start by going into the Render Properties tab and checking Ambient Occlusion. Then I usually like to open up the Ambient Occlusion tab and change the distance until it starts to make the scene look a little more natural. Then I check Bloom and Screen Space Reflections. Alright, you'll notice that the sun lamp is kind of bleeding through the walls here, and it shouldn't be. So if you select the sun lamp and go down to the settings, there's a tab for shadow here, and you can check contact shadows. Now you can tweak the distance and bias and all these, but you'll notice that if you do it too much, it will start to stop the sun from actually being able to go through the windows, so be careful of that. And I'd only tweak them a little bit each. Generally, then I like to really help fill out the scene by adding in some volumetrics and area lights. So as you can see, I've got an area light that's off the chandelier here to help kind of light the volumetrics, and it just really helps everything come together a little bit better.